The very first disorder is the hyperthyroidism, right, which we also call as exophthalmic goiter, the Graves' disease, Bastow's disease or Paris disease. Well, this is caused because of the hypersecretion of the thyroid hormone, means the increased secretion of the thyroid hormone than it is required. So, what happens in this case? There is protrusion of the eyeballs. As you can see in the image, the protrusion of the eyeballs. Then why this protrusion is there? It is because of the accumulation of the fluid behind them. So, behind the eyes, because of the accumulation of the fluid, there is protrusion of the eyeballs. So, this is how the Graves' disease symptoms are. So, let us read this. Graves' disease is a common cause of hyperthyroidism and overproduction of thyroid hormone, which causes enlargement of the thyroid and other symptoms such as exophthalmos. What is this exophthalmos? Exophthalmos means the condition where the bulging of the eyeballs is there, right? Heat intolerance and anxiety. So, there is loss of weight, rise in body temperature and rapid heartbeat. So, this is the disorder which is because of, you can say, the hypersecretion of the thyroid hormone. Now, what happens when there is hyposecretion of the thyroid hormone? So, the first disorder of hypothyroidism is the cretinism. It is cretinism. Now, this cretinism actually occurs in infants. It occurs in infants. There is slow body growth and mental development. So, this is an image showing the patient who is suffering from cretinism. So, this disorder, it occurs in infants, and in infants there is slow body growth and there is less mental of development. So, there is slow heartbeat, low blood pressure, decrease in temperature, stunted growth and retarded sexual development also. So, this cretinism disorder, which is because of the hyposecretion, means decreased secretion of the thyroid hormone than required. So, this cretinism occurs in infant. This disorder is seen in infants when you will see, slow body growth and slow mental development of the child, and with this there is retarded sexual development also. Then next disorder we have myxoedema. Now, myxoedema is the Gulf's disease. It occurs in adults. It is because of the low metabolic rate. So, what happens? What are the symptoms of the disease? There is accumulation of fat in subcutaneous tissue which leads to puffy appearance. So, you can see the puffy appearance on the skin. Why this puffy appearance is there? Because of the accumulation of the subcutaneous fat in the tissues, right? Then there is slow heartbeat, low body temperature, retarded sexual development. So, remember that cretinism, it occurs in infants, and myxoedema, which we also call as the Gulf's disease, it occurs in the adults, right? Then we have simple goiter. Now, goiter is caused by the deficiency of iodine in the diet. Remember that iodine is required, for the functioning of the thyroid gland, for the secretion of thyroxine hormone. So, if there is deficiency of iodine, you will suffer from goiter, and this goiter causes thyroid enlargement. So, you can see the thyroid gland enlargement that is there. So, this disease is known as what? Goiter, and this disorder, this disease is common in hilly areas. Why this is common in hilly areas? Because there the soil is actually deficient in iodine. So, definitely the food that they are going to obtain from that soil, they are also going to be deficient in iodine. So, as a whole there is deficiency of iodine in the diet of the people who live in hilly areas. So, that is why goiter is common in hilly areas. And to just combat this problem, we need to use iodized salt, the salt that contains iodine, so that we do not suffer from the deficiency of iodine, and hence we do not suffer from the disorder that is goiter. So, iodized salt is preferred in the diet just to combat the deficiency of iodine, because iodine is necessary for the functioning of the thyroid gland. With this, I want to add something here, extra also. When we talk about old people, when we talk about old people, they, feel more cold than us. Why this happens? Because with age the functioning of the thyroid gland, it decreases. So there is what? There is decrease in body temperature, because you know that the temperature is regulated by, or you can say maintained by, the thyroid gland. So what happens when the thyroid gland, with age the activity of the thyroid gland, it decreases, it leads to the fall in body temperatures. That is why old people, you know, feel more cold as compared to us, right? So these were the disorders of the thyroid gland. This disorder was because of the hypersecretion of the hormones of the thyroid gland, and these disorders were because of the hyposecretion of the hormones from the thyroid gland. So I hope that this is clear to you.